Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, July 15th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across IT and technology, energy and power, banking and financials, metals and mining, FMCG, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in IT and technology. TCS made a dramatic move today, surged plus 6.36% to 2,200.60 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by TCS begins FY27 with continued growth, wins multiple RE transformation deals, Tata Consultancy Services. The 26 to 28% EBIT margin band has been consistently delivered. The market wants to see whether AI-driven productivity allows margin expansion beyond the upper end of that range. Attrition stabilization is a positive signal on demand confidence. AI services deal conversions are the emerging growth driver. Moving to energy and power. NTPC climbed plus 2.09% to 351.75 Indian rupees. This comes as Dow Jones futures, techs fall, oil prices rise amid new US-Iran attacks, Taiwan Semi, Nvidia, Micron, SanDisk Investors Business Daily, adding pressure to energy markets. The near-term technical picture for NTPC looks constructive. Watch the $365.82 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Moving to banking and financials. Kotak Mahindra Bank climbed plus 1.87% to 384.65 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by India's June inflation tops forecasts, putting the RBI in an awkward spot, crypto briefing. The near-term technical picture for Kotak Mahindra Bank looks constructive. Watch the $400.04 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Moving to metals and mining. Tata Steel dropped sharply minus 1.53% to 188.27 Indian rupees. Traders are reacting to news that Y is BHP, ASX BHP, setting the pace for metal and mining stocks. Kalkine Media. After today's weakness, the $182.62 area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Tata Steel. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to FMCG. Hindustan Unilever is down minus 1.41%, trading at 2,120.20 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 and NASDAQ end higher on cool inflation data, solid bank earnings. After today's weakness, the $2,056.59 area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Hindustan Unilever. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 96.19, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.